Right. So we have solved a couple of questions related to this topic. So few more questions related to the same one. Consistent, inconsistent. Condition will be given. This statement will be given. Two lines are there from which we have to find the value of k. He said that lines are coincident. Coincident in the sense, what is the condition? A1 by A2 is equal to B1 by B2 is equal to C1 by C2. All are equal. Yes. A1, A2. 3 by 6. 3 by 6 is equal to B1 by B2. Minus 1 by minus k. Minus 1 by minus k. We need not to go for C1 by C2 because here only we will get k value. Minus minus gets cancelled. 3 1 is 3. 3 2s are 6. 1 by 2 is equal to 1 by k. K into 1 k. 2 into 1 2. K is equal to 2. Here. The lines are parallel. Lines are parallel. This is the condition. A1 by A2 is equal to B1 by B2 is not equal to C1 by C2. What is A1? 3 by 2 is equal to 2 by 5. 2k by 5. Apart from y, whatsoever is there, all of that constitutes B.
Minus 2 by 1.
Minus 2 by 1 is not required because from here we can find the value of k. If we cross multiply 5 3s, here multiply first k. 2 2s 4. 4k is equal to 3 5 15. Barabar? K is equal to 15 divided by 4. 15 by 4. Here has no solution. No solution. Lines are parallel. Parallel condition same. Here lines are parallel, he told. Here no solution. Both mean same only. We have to come to the same solution. A1 by A2 is equal to B1 by B2 is not equal to C1 by C2. A1 is k by A2 is 12. B1 3 by k. Need not to go for C1 because already we got k here. K into k, k square. K square is equal to 12 3s 36. If I send square over there, it will become root 36, but plus or minus root 30. Root 36 is plus or minus 6. Right. Similar question. 3x my is equal to 10. 9x 12y is equal to 30. Same type of question. Give that a try and let me know the value of m in the comment section, and you guys also try this. Lines. Oh, condition is not given. No. Yes. Has unique solution. Has unique solution. Yes, intersecting. Has unique solution. Has unique solution. Lines are intersecting. You can decide what is the condition. Thereby find the value of m. M from there. Okay. Right. So these are basically the questions which we can expect from this chapter, and along with this some similar questions I'll tell you. One of the question in the bits it will ask. So here it goes. One equation of pair of line. This one not required. We have to write 3x minus 2y plus 7 is equal to 0. Any line will be given. We have to write 3 lines. We have to write 3 lines. One of the lines should be parallel to this. One of the lines should be intersecting. One of the lines should be coincident. Write a line which is parallel to this line. Write a line which is intersecting. Write a line which is coincident. First of all, intersecting. Intersecting in the sense, condition A1 by A2 should not be equal to B1 by B2. A1 by A2 should not be equal to B1 by B2. With ratio of A1 by A2 should not be equal to B1 by B2. Tell me any values. 5x we can take. 5x plus 4y plus 7 is equal to 0. You do A1 by A2. 3 by 5. B1 by B2. Minus 2 by 4. Minus 1 by 2. Which is not equal. So these two lines are intersecting. We have to write one more line which is parallel. In order to write the parallel lines, A1 by A2 should be equal to B1 by B2, should not be equal to C1 by C2. So double the 3 and double 2, double or triple, whatever it is, in the same ratio you take. 3, so we can take 9x minus 4. 3 we have tripled, 2 also tripled. 6y plus different, this is take 5. Now check the ratio. 3 by 9 is equal to minus 4 by minus 6, minus 4 by minus 6. Are these two equal? 3, 1 is 3, 3 3s are 9. 2, 2 2s are 4, 2 3s are 6. Are these equal? So again you have written, minus minus also cancel. Yes, again you have written intersecting line. You have to write a line which is parallel. Ratio should be equal. Tell me, what is it? What changes should I make to this? Where? This one? 1 minute. क्या गड़बड़ हो गया यार, 1 मिनट. 3 by 9, okay. Minus 2 by? Okay. This one. Yeah. Now, is it right? Yeah, minus minus is also cancelled. Minus minus is also cancelled. A1 by A2, yes, correct. A1 by A2 is equal to B1 by B2. A1 by A2 is equal to B1 by B2, but C1 C2 is not equal. Lines are parallel. One more line we have to write, which is coincident. This is parallel. Which is parallel. Next, coincident line. All the ratios should be same. Like we have double all these values. Double all the values. 3, double of 3 is 6x. Double of 2 is 4y. Double of 7 is 14 is equal to 0. 3 by 6, 1 by 2. Minus 2 by minus 4, 1 by 2. 7 by 14, 1 by 2. Clear? Coincident line. I'll give one more equation here. You guys give it a try. Suppose 7x plus 5y minus 3 is equal to 0. Okay, let us give it a try here only. 7x. Intersecting. A1 by A2 should not be equal to B1 by B2. So basically, reverse the values, you will get it. 5y, 7x you take. Sorry, 5x, 7y. 5x plus 7y plus 3 is equal to 0. 7 by 5 is not equal to 5 by 7. A1 by A2 is not equal to B1 by B2. These two lines are intersecting. Next we have to write one more line which is parallel. In order to write parallel, first A1 and B1 should be doubled. Double or triple, whatever, in the same ratio. Third value shouldn't be there. 7 ka double, 14x plus 10y minus 7 is equal to 0. Whatever, third value you take, it's up to you. 7 by 14, 1 by 2. 5 by 10, 1 by 2. A1 by A2 is equal to B1 by B2 is not equal to C1 by C2. Another line which is coincident. We've multiplied by 2. Multiply the entire line with 3. 3 7s are 21x plus 3 5s are 15y minus 5 5s are we have multiplied by 3, right? 3 5 3 3s are 9, correct, is equal to 0. A1 by A2, 7 by 21, 1 by 3. B1 by B2, 5 by 15, 1 by 3. C1 by C2, minus 3 by minus 9, 1 by 3. So these lines are coincident lines. So he'll give one of the line and he'll ask us to write a parallel line to that and intersecting line and a coincident line, or either in the bits it will give, one of the line will be given, which of the line is parallel to the given line, which of the line is intersecting to the given line. You have to put the condition and check it over there. Clear? So these are basically some of the important questions from 4th chapter, pair of linear equation in 2 variables. We'll meet in the next video with another chapter. Till then, have a nice day. Take care.